Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the buying experience of Honda CB Shine. This bike is purchased by my friend couple of months ago. He started looking for various bikes in the segment of 125cc. After test driving all the bikes in this segment, he came on a conclusion that this bike will be best suitable for him. And today is the day he is buying one. All the payment has been made by cash. All the formalities are complete. Now accessories fitment is being done. First they'll fit the seat covers, then tank cover, then leg guard and mirrors. After that battery connection will be given, and at last vehicle will be washed and delivered. My friend, he is my loyal subscriber too, so I have decided to share some important tips of maintaining a new bike. If you have purchased any new bike, then there are some do's and don'ts to be followed so that you can maximize the life of a vehicle. So the first step is from starting the bike. Maximum wear out occurs when you start the bike every morning or when the engine is cold. It is a good idea to let it idle for about 30 to 40 seconds. During this time, what happens is engine oil will be pumped to all parts of an engine. Do not rev the engine. If you rev, it will damage the delicate parts of an engine. This one is fuel injected bike, so the idling will be higher for some time, then engine will be back to the normal RPMs after couple of minutes. It automatically adjusts the engine idle speed according to the conditions, so no need to worry about rising RPM speed. Now the next step is shifting into gear. So always select the right gear at right speed. First gear 0 to 15 kilometers per hour, second gear then 15 to 30, 35, then third gear from 30 to 40, and so on. Always select the right gear for right speed. Don't use fourth gear for 10-20 kilometers per hour. Bike will start knocking. So please avoid this. At 800 to 1000 kilometers, first service will be done. So till that time, drive vehicle slowly and gently. Don't be hard on accelerator. This is fuel injected bike, so you have to maintain at least 1.5 liter of fuel so that fuel pump doesn't run dry. And it is not a good idea to go beyond 60 kilometers per hour. And many congratulations to all of you who have purchased a new bike. Wear helmet, ride safely. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching, friends.